See, nobody knows where to go because the road's so messed up. See? Nice dip in the ground. Nice dip in the ground. People head over there. There's Midway. This is San Jacinto Avenue. Let's see what this guy does. Oh boy. That was close. Here we go. Gotta take it slow because there was all these dips and all this other stuff here. Yeah, they're all slowing down. They're all slowing down. See? Look at that. Dude, they gotta take it all. Damn. Look at it. They almost hit each other. Take it slow, take it slow. Careful. Oh shit, that was close. Snap. Be careful, 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 careful. Oh. See? Look at all that. Oh, he almost mushed it right now. Yeah, see, they're smart. They're smart. See, look, here they come. Dude, they almost munched it. See? That big old spot right there. Let's see what this car does. Oh, that was close. All right.